Hi guys, this is the Mingtrader AUDCAD. This is a trading robot which we looked at a good couple of years ago now, one which we did some experimentation on and made money. And today I noticed that this one had made an all-time high. So we started off with 100, and it's made over 1,000% return. And currently the balance is 1,227. So this is the Mingtrader AUDCAD. As I mentioned, this was one which we looked at some time ago. It has quite a long history. You can see from the chart that obviously the losses are quite big, but it has a lot more wins. And right now, at today's date, we are right up here. One thing which I do like is the gain and the absolute gain are exactly the same, which means that it's not fighting for small pips and spread and all that kind of stuff. The other thing to note is if we look at the results, so I mean, because it is a high risk trading robot, some of the months have been quite big, as the losses. 2023 results, 2022 had a couple of ones which were over 100% in a month, which is pretty impressive. But obviously, also one here which it lost 63% in a month, which wasn't so good. 2021, so yeah, it started off in November. First month, a very impressive 67% return, and then 10% loss the following. So yeah, this is one which I'm definitely considering putting back on as a high risk account. You know, it's shown that it has longevity, been running since November 2021, and right now it's more than tenfold what it started off with. Because the gain and absolute gain are exactly the same, it's not cutting for small pips. It's not really worried about about sniping entries. And also looking at the history, I can see that each trade is individual. It's not a grid system. It's not a Martingale system either. It is fixed lot. You can see how the author has changed the fixed lots over time as it's got bigger. So it's currently on 0.6 lots. It was 0.4 towards the latter end of May. And we start from the beginning. Let's see where it started. £100. And yeah, 0.1, then 0.2 as it started. You can see it has a real high number of wins versus losses. I can also see here that each trade, I think, starts off with a 100 pip loss, but you see that the stop loss trails, so you can see that's why it's moved. The stop loss is moving as and when the market is moving towards it, trying to capture bigger gains. You click on pips. So max loss is around 100 pips. That's when it hits the max loss, and highest pip gain 34 pips. The other thing to note is winning trades. So longs, 86% of the longs are winning, 89% of the shorts are winning. So on average, 87% win rate, which is pretty good if you can endure these large losses. Loss obviously 100 pips at the max. You can balance it out so that you know how much the losses are. Overall, this is doing pretty well. So just wanted to mention this is one which we looked at. I will put all the links to the previous videos and everything else that you need in the video description box below, but just wanted to mention this. Okay, that's it for today. Speak to you next time. Thank you.